So first thing you want to do is you want to download Unity Hub. So we're going to go to Google and we're going to search Unity. And then from there, here you can see download Unity Hub. And then you can just download it for whichever operating system that you have. Unity Hub is the software that's going to allow you to manage the versions of Unity that you installed and your projects. So when you first install it, you will most likely be asked to create an account. And once you create an account, you will be faced with this screen. Here on the side, we're on installs right now, and this is where we're going to install the different versions of Unity that we're going to need for our projects. So you will most likely have an empty screen here since you don't have any Unity versions installed yet. So you want to go to Add. From there, you want to pick the recommended release, which is going to be the latest long-term support version. And then Next. You want to make sure to include Android build support because that's what we're going to need to create virtual reality applications for the Oculus Quest. And you want to also have another build support for your operating system, whichever it is. And then Next. And from there, you're just going to agree and click on Done. And as you can see, it's going to start installing it, and you just have to wait until it's done. So after we're done installing our version of Unity, we're going to click on Projects. And then from there, you want to go here to the side and to this arrow next to New. When you click on it, it's going to show you all the available versions of Unity that you have installed. You want to pick the one that you just installed. And for me, for this project, I'm going to be using 2020.3.11. From there, here you can see the templates. You have a lot of them, but we're going to go with the basic 3D template for this project. And on the side here, we can name our project. For example, let's call it VR course project. And you can put the location. From there, you're just going to click on create, and it's going to take you to Unity, and you can start working on your project from there.